G Riz, what's up?
So did I hear that right?
It is.
WarioWare.
For those uninformed, WarioWare is now a legal counterpick. Fuck you. Yes. I've decided. It's not for PR. Who gives a shit?
Who do I play in Howard's finals? Who do you think?
Yeah. Devin with the cheater up B because he's a cheater with no talent.
You are literally worse than him.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, you are.
I haven't lost to him. What the fuck? Alright, to be fair. Yeah, because she's boring. This is why I purposefully lied about the start time so she couldn't make it.
Did you?
No, but it would have been funny. Cheater. He can't even hit those. That's crazy. Because she would have pulled up and played only Rob and put everybody to sleep.
No, I would have played fucking Roy.
You would not have done that.
I want to play me Sword. I literally want to play me Sword today.
No, Slim and Daniel are playing first. You're gonna be in the bedroom when those two are done. When
I want to play me Sword today. I haven't practiced.
That's crazy.
Come
to 3 next year.
Next year?
I'll try and do one in the winter. I'll try and do one in December maybe. Oh no! Slap!
Holy shit! The Risley Bear.
Who shitted?
Oh no, that's probably just Will hitting his dab pen.
Maybe.
Will, did you just hit your dab pen? Did you just hit your dab pen?
Don't do it in the basement. They said fucking go outside.
Where is your dad?
I don't know, somewhere in Africa.
That is.
No, that's the Middle East. No, you don't.
Does the Middle East is part of.
It's
Europe.
in the middle of the East. You know the
like
East?
A continent.
You know the East? It's the middle.
What is?
I'm pretty sure it's like Asia.
Is it Asia or Europe?
I don't fucking. I'm American.
It's gotta be Asia, right?
Probably.
I changed my mind.
All right, let's go, Holmes. We're biased as fuck in this house. If you're not biased, you're banned from Howard's Realm.
Okay, that's why I'm biased.
Let's go, Devin.
Uh-oh.
Let's go, boyfriend. Yes, yes, Devin.
Cheater.
Oh my.
Trying to fucking cook the world. That's crazy.
Talent. Cheater! Dude, talent wins again.
Devin's got that fucking smirk on his face.
Let's go, Fundy!
Fundy's dies today. Fund these nuts only. There. Okay. I've been saying. What's the conversion?
Did you like my tweet?
She doctorate.
No, not that one.
I feel like a new one.
Not the one I made about the one I made with the Shiva clip.
That's a good
where I
tweet.
zooted them twice.
You don't post clips often. Punch! Not strong enough.
I actually don't post. I should probably post clips more often. I do
Get them
cool
more
things.
often.
I do hate stuff.
I hit Devin with the fall.
Alright, watch this.
Oh! Big kick. They should make that as big as snake up tilt and as strong as snake up tilt.
No.
That's crazy.
I'm sorry, Holmes.
In the corner. You don't want to... Alright. This is the percent where you're not supposed to be interacting with Luigi as much as Holmes is, but he just doesn't give a shit.
Uh-oh.
The most dangerous Smash player is a nihilist. Oh!
I feel like he wanted to side you.
Yeah, no. He went too high. It wouldn't have connected. Bear?
And that's it.
He may be a... Hey.
Why are we popping off?
He may be a wolf, but all I see is a bear.
Why are we popping off then?
Can we can I dab up on that one?
No.
That's a good line.
No, it wasn't.
That's a good line.
Fine. Do you want me to dab you up?
No. The moment's passed.
Kill yourself.
Now.
Wow.
Dude. This is like if Summit was awesome.
This is bad, Summit.
I mean,
Summit.
Are you saying Summit 2 was good in comparison to this?
Ultimate Summit 2?
This one. Or Dakota Summit 2.
You mean Dakota Summit?
Dakota Summit 2 or Howard's Realm? Be honest.
I don't want to think about that ever.
Hypothetically, you have to kill one forever.
Ever again. I'm gonna pick Dakota Summit 2 because you're asking the wrong person.
I guess. What now? Now. Oh.
Oh shit!
No, he's wrong.
Boosh. Oh, almost caught him with the 701 DI. Poking him off with the Nair. Does he come back? Yeah, he does, because Luigi's a fucking cheater.
Literally, you would have made that back from the bottom corner.
Yeah, but I'm playing an honest mid tier. F smash. Good night. Send him back to fucking Italy.
Hello, Portland. Welcome to Portland.
Wolf Flash.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, he's got
Oh,
those.
good tag.
Luigi would have down beat there.
Oh!
Power just went out? Fuck. Who touched the fridge?
What do you mean? Who touched the fridge? That's crazy, bro. Anyway, we're back to watching talent versus no talent. I'll let you figure out who's who. Anyway. Oh! That was kind of crazy, but he's just gonna go out there like, no, right? No, he's not. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
PK Grippy.
Oh PK Gorilla Grip.
PK. PK IHOP
Do not
syrup.
start him on Palutena.
Oh,
Please. I don't. No.
Hey,
Don't start him.
you and Colton would get along. That's so funny. Devin just got outplayed.
You know what? I'm sorry.
You and Colton would get along so well.
Why does he have invincible? Random ass.
Have you seen the? No. I started playing Palu. I get it now.
That's just me.
Because try and use any of her grounded moves ever that don't have invincibility on them. I'm gonna strangle you. Don't flip me off. Get your goddamn feet off me. This is not IHOP. Hey, turn that shit up, Charles. Stop fucking. This is weird. Cut it out. You're bullying a crippled kid. Does he get these? Up tilt. Up tilt conversions?
Holy shit.
Devin's good now.
Devin started going for up tilt conversions.
After I fucking yelled at him for 80 years to
The
do it.
scene is dead.
Riz, what if instead of high school?
No. Stop. I hate this. Shut up. What if instead of high school I just shot you in the face?
Do you want my gun?
Right now?
I can go get it. No, they're playing in there.
Yeah. Oh!
He Jaren. That's a little baby shield right there.
I just want Devin to, for once in his life, to do overshoot dash attack against somebody else that isn't me.
I just want Devin to have consequences for his actions.
What actions?
Full cross-up dash attack. I just want there to be consequences for what Devin does. Because there never are any.
Like as a person or as a player?
I feel like... I hate him. I feel like me and Devin are the same, except he lives his life without consequence. And everything terrible I do, I pay for.
How do you pay for
And
it?
I never learn, but I still pay for it.
Devin's literally paid the consequences.
I've never seen Devin pay for consequences.
All right, give me a scenario.
What do you mean?
Give me an example
Of what?
of when he's never paid for consequences.
When he fucking killed those guys?
That was pretty bad.
He got off scot-free.
They just didn't press charges against him. Look, they had a case.
Yeah. Something about how cute he looked or something? I don't know. Your Honor, Devin is just too cute. And he rolls from ledge. What if instead of high school,
We had Dole Dip School.
where you learned how to roll from ledge. Ouch! Anyways, Holmes gonna close it out here with a sick Holmes stock. Here it comes.
No, that would just be some not get hit by like
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. If he loses because of that, I'm gonna be so mad.
Oh, he is.
8,
He's just gonna get grabbed.
7,
Watch this.
6, 5, 4,
Oh no! Fuck.
3, 2, and let's go, Holmes.
And the worst player
And Fundies wins again.
loses here.
I'm gonna put me and Jake on stream now.
Narcissist.